All right, guys, the Fold 7 unboxing. I wasn't going to do this video, but here we are. I picked it up. I wasn't going to get it. I was going to get it. I wasn't going to get it, and I got it. Here we are, Galaxy Fold 7, blue colorway, quick unboxing. Let's check it out. You've seen all the videos. I really don't care, so I'm going to do it anyway. The quick unboxing of the Z Fold 7, the best fold, hands down, that Samsung has released. Now, I've had every fold since the Fold 2. And I'm excited about this blue colorway on here. We'll talk about the specs in a minute. The unboxing experience is not what it used to be. By the way, hit that like, drop a sub. But let's check out. Let's see what's in this thing. There's not going to be much in here. Some paperwork, maybe a cable. What do we got? We got a SIM eject tool. We have a cable, and of course, the user's manual, which we don't care about. And that beautiful blue colorway for the Fold 7. Now, I played with this in the store, and that was kind of my deciding factor because of how thin this is. Still very satisfying every time we do that. What a thin device. Wow, this thing is incredibly thin. Unreal what Samsung did this year. And this is what we've been waiting for, right? You guys know all the videos I have on folds, from the Fold 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, all of them. This is what we want. Check out the difference in the thinness of this compared to the S25 Ultra. Crazy how different this is. And even folded, the first fold is always so satisfying. Even folded, there's not much of a difference. And this feels actually heavier in the hand. But finally guys, the Fold feels like a regular phone, right? That was always the gripe. I love the Fold. I've used it for years. But the main issue and why I gave it up all the time was that front display was kind of unusable unless you had little baby T-Rex hands, right? If you had little tiny hands with little tiny fingers, then you can use that front display. For me, it was never a good thing. So the blue colorway, around 2,000 bucks. I did trade in the S25 Ultra for this device, so I did get 1,000 bucks off. Now, there are a couple different colors, and there's a special mint colorway that you can get only online. All right, now if we take a look at the actual device, we finally have a screen on the front, 6.5 inches from corner to corner. Finally usable, in my opinion, compared to what we had in the past. If we check it next to the S25 Ultra, it is still smaller, both height and width. But finally, S25 is a big phone, right? The Ultra is a big phone. Finally, we have something usable. That front display we can use, no issues moving forward. I do really like the size of this device, 8 inches. When we open this guy up, 4,400 milliamp battery. Now, that's one thing that I'm not too sure about. We'll see how battery life is. As long as it can get me through a day, I'll be happy. But there are other folds out there with much bigger batteries. Samsung could have done that. They just chose not to. Now, storage, 256 gigabytes of storage, all the way up to 1 terabyte. Snapdragon 8 Elite. Now, no S Pen support on here, but I don't really care about that. 120 hertz refresh rate, 2600 nits of peak brightness on here, and a new camera system on here, right? Folds in the past have had shitty cameras. This one has really good cameras, 200 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. I will be doing another video specifically going over the cameras with, of course, some photos and some video. The blue colorway, there is a special mint colorway, but this blue this year is the one to get. Just a quick unboxing, guys, checking out the new Fold. I'm going to set it up. I'll come back in a week or two with some videos. Peace.